Dear students, today I will explain you chapter 3 of Moments, Iswaran the Storyteller, written by R.K. Lakshman. Here is the two characters, Iswaran. Iswaran is the servant of Mahendra. Iswaran cooked for Mahendra, washed his clothes, and told stories to his master at night. When he told Mahendra about ghosts, Mahendra called him a crazy man. He was a good storyteller. Most of his stories were full of suspense and thrill. His stories affected his master so much that Mahendra started feeling afraid of ghosts and left his present accommodation. Now about Mahendra. Mahendra was a supervisor in a firm. The nature of his job moved him from place to place. He adjusted in all types of dwellings. His servant entertained him with stories. He did not believe in ghosts initially, but after listening to Iswaran, he too seemed to experience the existence of ghosts. Once he was so frightened of a ghost, he decided to leave the present accommodation where he was staying. Accommodation means place. He appears to be a man who can easily give into fear of things like ghosts. Now, dear students, introduction of the story. This is a story that involves the life of a young man, Mahendra, and his servant called Iswaran. Iswaran was a good storyteller, as I told you, and enthralled his master by narrating stories to him. Those stories were packed with adventure, horror, and suspense. One day, Iswaran narrated stories relating to ghosts and that he had seen ghosts. That night, Mahendra felt he saw a ghost and he decided to leave that place the very next day. Here is the title justification. Mahendra, the narrator, had a servant named Iswaran. Iswaran entertained Mahendra by telling him many stories. Most of his stories were full of surprise and thrill, as I told you earlier. He narrated the smallest incident in detail. He was very imaginative. Mahendra always enjoyed his stories, so it is appropriate to name the lesson as Iswaran the Storyteller. Now, dear students, theme of the story. Now, theme of the story. Nobody is free of fears. Everybody accepts the presence of ghost and spirit, but feels hesitant to express this truth openly. If fear lies in our heart, we should try to know the proper cause of this fear. In fear, we may take some wrong decisions and put our life in problems. Therefore, we have to be bold enough to take good decisions in all circumstances.